Hello, here's a quick lesson on CountIf formulas. If we wanted to find the symbol here and how many times it shows up within this given data set, we'll do the following. Equals CountIfs, open parentheses, select the criteria range, it's the symbols, hit F4 once, that'll lock the range. Then hit comma, now select the criteria you want. In this case we want A. If you want, you can go ahead and hit F4 3 times. That'll lock the column, so if you move the formula over, it would keep it here. If you hit it twice, it'll lock the row. In this case, hit it 3 times, close parentheses, hit enter. That is the formula there. We can copy it down for the other symbols. Let's quickly validate. So 2 A's. Do we have 2 A's? Yes, we do. Do we have 5 B's? Yes, we do. We have 5 B's. So that's perfect. Now for bonus, if you go ahead and do the same formula, except this time we're going to do symbol and score, we can do a double formula. So we're going to do CountIfs with 2 criteria. First criteria, symbol, it's just what we did earlier, lock the range. Then we're going to do the individual symbol A, go ahead and hit 3 times, that's going to lock the criteria. Now let's do the second criteria range. This is going to be your score. Select the range you want, hit F4 once to lock it. Now go back, select the score. In this case it's the 90. 1, 2, 3, hit enter, and let's go ahead and copy those down. And let's check. So we've got 2 90s at A, yes, we've got 2 B's at 86, and it looks like Marty here, he had a C at 79. Everything checks out. Thanks very much. See ya.